Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, a special welcome to you. If you're an oldie but goodie, oh, welcome back. So guys, today my client contacted me and said she wanted for me to install and sew down a wig for her. And I'm like, baby, I do not offer that service. She's like, you're gonna offer it today. And I'm like, okay, say less. I'm game. I never shrink away from a challenge. And so I figured, how hard could it be? So guys, let's install this wig together. So I did the beehive braid pattern, which is just a circular braid pattern from front to back. Yes, everything going in a circle. And of course her hair was a little bit dry in the scalp, so I'm adding my nourishing oil blend to make sure that that is nice and nourished before installing this wig. All right, so once I took that tail away, it's time for us to get installing. So this is the wig. This is not a new wig, guys. This is a wig that she has worn before. It has a little bangy bang in the front. And so we are going to go right ahead, fit it on, which of course it fits her perfectly already. As I said before, it's her wig. She's worn it before. But she didn't want to be bothered with putting it on and taking it off daily, and so the stitching down was the option. So what I did was separate a row of the hair, yeah, made apart, and I'm just stitching down the wig cap to her cornrows. Literally, I'm just going ahead and stitching down just that one perimeter row of braiding here. I'm stitching the wig cap to that only, and pretty much it's quick and simple and easy. And all you want to do is make sure that you're always feeling, to make sure that you're feeling where that last outer row of the cornrow is, and we're stitching down the wig cap to that. So of course she wanted a little more volume and she wanted a pop of color, so she had two pieces of hair on tracks that she asked me also to stitch in. I'm like, girl, you're pushing your luck now. But of course, it was pretty simple. You're just laying the hair flat and sewing it down onto the wig cap. Like easy breezy, no issue. I cannot tell you what the name. This almost looks like it's a wet and wavy type of hair. And yeah, this is another piece. She only had two pieces, so we just I did one in the upper row, and now I'm doing this one in the lower row. Yes, so yeah, as I said before, I'm not sure what curl pattern this is, but I want to say it is somewhat like a wet and wavy vibe. And it has that little bang in the front, but yeah, it was not hard at all. Would I offer this service like ongoingly? Who knows? I don't know. But it was, all I know, it was quick, and that's a plus for me. So yeah, once you're done with those two rows being sewn in, I just go ahead and brush the hair out. You can see the color actually peeking through, and it did add some volume, believe it or not. So I'm just adding a little bit of mousse to smooth the hair down and to give it some added shine. And guys, the bummer about the finished look is that she did not want the hair to be styled. She has some upcoming events in the coming days, and so she wanted it to be styled freshly for those days. But yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, why not record since this is my very first time? And you guys can comment down below and sound out and let me know how it turned out. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. This is the front, and of course, like I said before, there was no curling. She's going to be curling it when the time comes, and she's going to be flattening that bang area a little bit more to smooth it out. But yeah, pretty much this is it. This is the finished look. And what I like about this particular wig is that I forgot to show you guys, but the actual cap is breathable, and so she's able to have some ventilation through the wig as she wears it. So that was not bad at all. So guys, yeah, this is it, showing you guys the up close and personal look of the wig. And that is it, my very first sewn wig install. That's all I wanted to show you guys. So take care, walk good, much love, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.